Part 3, packing for Marjana. Let's see what she's packing. Jessie, what can you see? What's she packing?
I think she's packing right now a rainbow thing or something.
What's this here? This looks like some shorts. And then we have... this looks like t-shirts, do you think?
Yes.
Okay, and what's next? Let's see.
Then we have some more underwear.
No, this is me.
Yes.
Hang on.
We're supposed to do you.
Okay, so we've actually established that this was actually my packing and not Marjana's. So we close everything up now, don't we, Jess?
Yes. And then
And
we pump it up.
pump it all out. Pump the air out as before.
Yes, and then it gets harder and harder, so there's more space in the bags.
Absolutely. And all the air coming out now, so this is a lot more compact. It's got to keep pumping away. There we go. And then we have... Okay, so
put it in the bag.
So now it's going to go into the rucksack.
Yeah, into the bag.
And then we have the other little bits and pieces here. So I'm packing my headphones, Kindle, my glasses, which I should have had on earlier when we were looking at the video and I didn't realise it was me, and my mask and snorkel for some scuba diving, my diver's watch,
and your
my laptop,
computer,
yep,
and a
and there's my mask and snorkel, and that apparently is all I need for a year of travelling. Fingers crossed that'll be enough. And there we go, ready for the